Is your solar plexus energy a bit musty? Not blocked necessarily, not filled with negativity or overly so, but just a bit musty? How about Kundalini citrine? Isn't this guy gorgeous? So it's not just about activating and just really tapping into your Kundalini energy. The Kundalini energy kind of spirals or makes like a figure 8 through your body, up your spine, down, around, and just keeps on circling. An endless loop in a sense. And so that's manifestation. It's also regulates your energy levels and the kind of energy. So if you're, in a state of flux or you're busy working on different projects, boy, the bugs are really out here today and this morning. So Kundalini wanted to come with me today. Actually, my magnetite is the one that called to me, and yet it's not the one that came on my walk. It's Kundalini. And this is, what was the message? What was, what is the purpose? The intent is to clear out the mustiness, the stale. I didn't feel stagnant in my energy, just clearing it out, clearing the way for a higher vibration, for managing energy. People often talk about controlling your energy through your solar plexus. When I try to control something, to me it means like a closed fist, and at least for me it doesn't work. So this Kundalini, and it has a nice base, or where it was attached to the mother, the wherever it came from. Gosh dang it, Congo. And so for today, this piece, that part, the flat part in my left hand, is flat against my palm with the point, the termination, the largest one, and then the Kundalini, this is natural, yes, has a whole bunch of little ones. So it really pulls in the energy and fleshes out, well, that's a good word, thank you, fleshes out the mustiness. And honestly, why people say that? I feel more centered through my solar plexus, which is our initial point of manifestation, being conceived in our mother's womb. That's how I see it. So what does this help me do? It helps me manage my energy for today, because the last 3 days have been pretty intentional, intense, sort of, because I just absolutely had a singular focus on several projects, or one big project, which is 90% complete now. And I thought, oh, maybe I'll just take the day off. And then, okay, so what would be something fun I can do? Anyway, I now am ready to do what's on my list for today. And I just wanted to share it with you today. So where are you on your journey? Okay, bugs win. Pop down there in the comments or the description and come visit the Crystal Boutique. You just never know what you'll find. See you later, beautiful soul.